So hello guys, good morning. So nandito tayo ngayon sa aking mini garden guys. So ito na yung mukha ng aking garden now. And nandito po nakatira ang aming feral cat na binili. And sobra siyang matakutin but we're trying. We are trying to get her used to us. I hope na soon she will used to us and she can stay inside because we don't want her to be outside all the time. So we wanted her to be like the other cat we have, Teddy and Clau Clau. So anyway, the I just want to show you guys what my garden has this time. So I got some few peanut here, and hopefully I think it's already too late. I think it's harvest time for this kasi parang ano na siya, oh ito, ayun, parang late na, so I think I need to pull it now. Let's see kung may laman yung mani natin. Hala, ang dami niyang laman guys. But the problem is I think it's late for this one. Mahirap po ng walang taga-video, no? Ayan. So, ayan yung mani. Yay! Ayan, makapag pala ako ng mani ngayon. Ayan. Yan po yung mani. Isa. Ilan pa ba? Ayan, maraming dito. Ayan. Yan pala yung mani. Mani. Ayan. Tunay ng pagmay. Ito yung may aanihin guys. So, ayan. Ito yung dalawa. I thought I have 3. But maybe that's already. This one is lesser. As you can see. Ayan. Mabuboiled ako ng mani mamaya guys. Ayan. Not that much. But this one has a lot. So I got enough to boil today. Ayan. And then I'll show that to my kids. Right. Okay, show my kids how to be good having your own. Ito naman, hindi siya gano'n. Kasi natabunan kasi siya sa sa kamote. Kaya, but good thing the other one has a lot. So, ayun siya. So, harvest natin ito mamaya. Ayan. Dito natin ilalagay sa sa may shade. I will harvest that later. So ayan. And then I'll show you my watermelon. So I got like many. I already harvested 3 watermelon. We already ate 3 watermelon out of this one watermelon that grow in my garden. So ito siya guys. There's some few, ayan. Yan parang may sira. But anyway, let's see. And then another one right here. Ang dami pa niyang bunga, but I don't know if siya. Mag-e-end siya kasi parang it's already finishing na siya. Yung parang naman, if you notice, parang nag-yellow na yung niya dahon. So I think it's almost done for this watermelon. And hopefully, yung mga bunga na dala niya ngayon is siya. Ayan ang laki. Ayan. Mag-finish pa siya before siya mag-dying. Ayan, another one, and right there. Ang dami niyang bunga, guys. Ayan. Ito, this is finished. It's already done. Parang kalabasa lang, no? So, ayan. Another one, and then right here. And then this one is, I think it's almost ready to harvest. And then there's another one there na parang kalabasa. Ang dami niyang bunga. At least, this is only one watermelon that grow. Tinapon ko lang ito tapos siya. Tumubo. So, ayan. But, the only reason why I took this video is na-shock ako nung nag-check ako ng baby kitten ko na nandyan. Ayan, if you see. Sobrang yung ganda niya, guys. I really wanted her to be close to me, but hopefully, I think my daughter will be close to her. But, ito yung nakita ko. As you can see, sobrang niyang laki, guys. This is the biggest watermelon na bunga nitong watermelon ko now. So, ayan ang laki-laki. Paano kaya namin tumakain sa sobrang laki? Ayan. So, yan po ang parang na-surpresa ako this morning. So, na-surprise talaga ako sa sobrang niyang laki, guys. Ang laki niya. So, I will harvest that later today with my daughter. I want to show my daughter. Excited kasi siya, guys, every time na mag-harvest ng watermelon. I love her reaction. Like, you know, like, she's so excited about it. So, every time mag-harvest kami ng watermelon, I always bring her here and show her how I cut it and everything. Kasi nga, ang sarap lang kasi tingnan niya, guys. Yung reaction niya is priceless. So, ayan. While I'm here already, ayan, hina-harvest ko naman yung yung bunga ng malunggay. Ang dami ding, medyo may mga bunga din yung talong. Siguro later today magka-harvest din ako. So, ayan. Na-harvest ko na yung iba, guys, kanina. I want the moringa fruit. Ganito, yung baby pa. Ayokong hintayin na yung parang old. Kasi, mas gusto ko kasi yung ganito, yung parang hindi siya yung kasi, yung hihintayin mo pa yung tumanda. Hindi na siya masarap kasi parang ang dami na niyang yung parang bang tawag nun, parang stick na maliliit na maninipis. Kaya mas gusto ko yung ganito. Ang sarap niya, guys, sa sa munggo. I really loved it. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko na ngayon na parang sa malunggay. Ang sarap niya, guys. Try nyo i-harvest ng mas maaga, mas masarap. So ayan, dami kong kamote. So, very soon magiging din to. Magiging clean na naman yung garden ko kasi 'di ba magko-cold na. So, I'll clean it and ready for another summer. So, ayan. Yan lang po, guys, and thank you so much again sa laging nanonood ng aking mga hindi naman kaimportantihang video. Ayan, guys, thank you so much and God bless us all. Bye. Ingat lagi, guys.